Good day, everyone. Today we will talk about chemistry of the environment. This study aims to understand or address the chemical process that affects our natural surrounding. This topic will help us to have a more or deep understanding of why a certain phenomenon on Earth happens, or it will give us the chemical process why this phenomenon happens. This also focuses on sustainability and reducing impact. So our first subtopic is Earth's atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layer that composed of gases held by gravity. So we have five layers of uh, atmosphere. These are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesospheres, thermosphere, and exosphere. So what is the importance of our atmosphere? Atmospheres regulates the Earth climates, protects us from harmful radiation, and provides essential gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Just like I said earlier, atmosphere is a layer that composed of gases. Gases. Yun. 78 of our atmosphere is composed of nitrogen gas, 21% is oxygen, and the 1% is composed of argon, carbon dioxide, and trace of gases. So let's talk about the human activities. Yeah. So burning fossil fuels, industrial emission, and deforestation are the human activities that affects our atmosphere. So these activities can affect or will affect our atmosphere negatively. So these are the negative effects of these human activities. So first is the greenhouse effect, which is the increase of greenhouse gases caused by burning fossil fuels or caused by these human activities. Second is air pollution, so also caused by these human activities. And the last is the ozone depletion. So that's all. Thank you.
Everyone, let's begin by discussing how human activities impact Earth's water. Pollution's worse. Humans contribute to water pollution through activities like agricultural runoff, industrial waste, plastic pollution, and oil spills. Consequence: water pollution, chemicals, plastic, and harm aquatic life and reduce water quality. Eutrophication, excess nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus from fertilizer, lead to harmful algal blooms. Groundwater depletion, overuse of groundwater for agricultural uses, its ability posing a major threat to water resources. This highlights the need for sustainable practices to protect our water system. Now let's shift our focus to soil, which is essential for supporting plant life. Soil is the upper layer of the Earth's surface that supports plant growth. Soil consists of organic matter, minerals, water, air, and organisms. Layers of soil: topsoil, rich in organic matter and nutrients, ideal for plant growth. Subsoil contains mineral and support plant roots. Bedrock, the base layer, made of rock which forms the foundation of soil. Healthy soil is crucial for agriculture and maintaining ecosystem. To sum up, human activities are putting stress on vital natural resources like water and soil. It's up to us to adopt better practices to ensure these resources remain healthy for future generations.
Human activities on Earth's soil. When we say pollution sources, it is activities that harm the soil. For example, industrial waste is the factories release harmful chemicals that pollute farmland. The next was pesticide use. Overusing chemicals like DDT damage and soil kills helpful organisms. Deforestation, it is a cutting down trees such as Amazon rainforest causes soil erosion and make the land unproductive. Next is construction. Building roads and cities compacts the soil and leaves it polluted with debris. And it has a consequences of pollution sources. So, pinakauna is tawag siya og soil degradation. Soil degradation is the soil loses fertility and become unusable. For instance, or for example, overgrazing in Africa has turned fertile land into deserts. Soil pollution. Toxic toxic substances like plastic and chemicals make it hard for crops to grow, as seen in polluted landfills. Impact of Impact on biodiversity. Damaged soil destroys habitats for animals and plants, such as how deforestation affects tigers and other wildlife in Asia. So the next slide it is green chemistry. When we say green chemistry, it's about creating products and processes that are safer for the environment and human health. This is those principles of green chemistry. Firstly is it is called prevent waste. Stop waste before it starts. For example, factories can use processes that reduce chemical products. Nextly is use renewable resources, like use materials that can be replenished naturally. For example, making bioplastic from corn instead of petroleum. Next is energy efficiency. Use less energy to protect the environment. Example, using energy saving machine in factories. Safer products. Develop products that are non-toxic and biodegradable. For example, using natural cleaning products instead of harsh chemicals. So these are the example of green chemistry in action. Biodegradable plastics, alternative to petroleum-based plastic, alternative fuels reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Next is eco-friendly pesticides. It is reducing harmful impacts on soil and water.
So, hi, this is the impacts of green chemistry on our Earth system. So, the first impact is the atmosphere, which reduce emission and pollutant help combats climate change, which it combats climate change in our Earth, which it reduce heat from the sun and any weather problems. So yeah, that's why the atmosphere is a impact on our Earth system. Next one is water, which is a safer chemical minimize water contamination, which is more of a same easier way of water contamination. The third one is soil, eco-friendly fertilizer and pesticide. Helps protect soil health and biodiversity. So it helps our earth system. The soil helps our earth system by being a fertilizer for our plants and trees. So the next one are the summary of human impacts on Earth system. First up was atmosphere, pollution and climate change due to industrial activities. So the industrial activities will actually destroy our atmosphere, it makes our Earth system much more vulnerable from the sun, which is the heat and the weather as well. So that's the summary of human impacts by doing industrial activities such as smoking, factory factory stuff, and nuclear power plants. So yeah, that's the industrial activities. Number two of the summary of a human impact on Earth system, which is water. The water will be contaminated and overused, affecting water sources and aquatic life. So in water, the water will be contaminated by sewage, trashes, and much more bad experiments, and sometimes like that. And it will affect our aquatic life and our water sources. So that's the human impact on water in our Earth system, which it was really bad for us as well. So the third one is the soil one. So the degradation, pollution, and lost fertility from unsustainable practice. So the soil one is more likely the loss of fertility from our plants and from our trees. So from because of the unsustainable practices and the degradation and pollution, which affects our Earth's ecosystem and biodiversity, which is really bad opportunity in our hands. So yeah, the last one is the role of green chemistry. The role of it is green chemistry principles provide sustainable solutions to mitigate this impact. So the role of green chemistry is to provide a sustainable solution for our daily needs in our Earth system, which is the three things and the three impacts, which is the atmosphere, uh, soil, and water. It helps us provide that. So this is the reason why green chemistry is much more of an impact in our daily lives in this Earth. Thank you.
Three things to remember. 1. Takeaway. Human activities have a profound impact on Earth's atmosphere, water, and soil. But green chemistry offers pathways to minimize this impact. 2. Future outlook. Sustainable practice in industry and daily life can protect Earth's resources. 3. Call to action. Embrace green practices and support policies that protect the earth environment. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for bearing with us and bye.